unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Frequent sneezing in kittens can be usual, often caused by dust or mild irritants. However, consistent episodes might indicate a health issue such as a respiratory infection, allergies, or a virus. It's crucial to monitor other symptoms like nasal discharge, loss of appetite, or lethargy. Consult a veterinarian to ensure proper diagnosis and treatment, keeping your kitten in good health.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.